To pair the audio cube with your device, simply follow these steps. Go to Settings on your device and activate Bluetooth. Then, turn on the audio cube and press the circular button once. This sound means that the audio cube is searching for a Bluetooth device. Tap the name Audio Cube Modular when it appears in the list on your device. Once you hear this sound, the connection between the audio cube and your device is established. Make sure that the light of the circular button is off. This means the audio cube is connected to your device and is now the host. When pairing other audio cubes, you can recognize the host by its non-lit circular button. To pair with another audio cube, make sure that the host is turned on. After that, turn on the second audio cube. This sound and the light on the circular button of the second audio cube means that the audio cubes are paired. The second audio cube is now a guest. Audio Cube Modular, Audio Cube Bass, and Audio Cube Tweeter are all paired to their host in the same way. You can also add multiple guests to a host. Make sure all the guest audio cubes are turned off first. Pair your device with the host and turn it off. Quickly turn on all the audio cubes one by one, starting with the host.